These are some notes on symmetry, and this is a topic that you discussed in section 6.5. So there are two different types of symmetries that you discussed in 6.5. You discussed line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. Line of symmetry is talking about the line that reflects a figure onto itself. So in our two figures, we kind of have to play a little bit of pretend because my artistry is not perfect. But if we sort of pretend that I have drawn a perfect figure here, then this top half and this bottom half will be the same if I fold along this line. So this line right here is called the line of symmetry. Similarly, if my heart were a perfect heart, the line of symmetry would be the line that cuts the heart, so that if I fold my paper along this line, the heart ends up back onto itself. Rotational symmetry is a rotation that carries a figure onto itself. Again, since I'm not a perfect artist, we're going to have to sort of pretend that this star, that each of these pieces in this star are exactly the same. And so if I can take this star and I rotate it so that this point here ends up on that point, which means this dot would end up over here, that's rotational symmetry. And then I could do it again and rotate from here to here, and now the dot would sit on this part of the star. And I could do it again, and then the dot would sit on this part of the star. And then I would do it again, and it would sit on this part, which is hard to see with this highlighter. Right there would be the dot. And then I can finish it off and rotate one more time, and I end up back where I started.